Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma, where we specialize in residential investment property, primarily single family in the Oklahoma City and the Tulsa market. Now, I want to talk about Tulsa specifically. So, about 20 years ago, I started to get discovered by out-of-state and out-of-country investment groups. We started doing a tremendous amount of property, and we're still doing a lot of property with those same groups, but primarily for the last 20 years, it's been in the Oklahoma City market. Really didn't get into the Tulsa market. Oklahoma City was flying economically. It had made the right moves that Tulsa didn't make. It changed the infrastructure, changed the business community here. Businesses were coming in, markets were here. I mean, it was fantastic is what's been going on for the last 20 years. So we really haven't looked at the Tulsa market. Well, and also investors, it's the state capital, it's bigger, we're 1.4 million. I know I'm talking about Oklahoma City right now, but talking about what 20 years has done. So about 4 years ago, we seriously got involved in the Tulsa market. And why? Number one, Tulsa was growing finally. It was over 1 million in the metro area. It's a magic number. Second of all, more industry was coming into the Tulsa market, and they were doing the same kind of infrastructure building that Oklahoma City was doing. But one more factor, and I think the most important factor, is what really makes Tulsa so strong right now and why we're so highly recommending it, even at the expense of the Oklahoma City market. Now, it does take pressure off the Oklahoma City market because we have to be very careful where we go. But again, supply and demand is what real estate or what economics is all about. If you have too much supply of rental properties, rents go down, vacancies go up. You flip that one, and it's the opposite. Vacancies go down, rents go up. And guess what's happening in Tulsa? That reverse. Tulsa's kind of been an ignored market, everything going to Oklahoma City. And so the supply of our kind of rental property, brand new construction, has been very, very low in contrast to the Oklahoma City or just about any other market I've seen. And the result of that is higher cash flow, more rent per square foot. We have the same affordable builder in Tulsa that we use in Oklahoma City, so very, very affordable. So what I'm really strong about Tulsa is one of the enemies of an investor in real estate is vacancy. You really don't want that. So if we have lower vacancy, then your return on investment over a long period of time is much, much better. Now, another thing that can affect you is how much money is someone really making, because the other enemy is maintenance. And you're gonna have even minor maintenance every year, not major maintenance, but what we call make-readies. Maybe it's $200, maybe it's $300, but that's coming out of your pocket. So if cash flow can increase, if we can go, say, from $150 a month positive cash flow after all expenses to $300 a month or $350 a month, and if these rates keep going down $400 a month or more, then that doesn't hurt too much, does it? And so, again, supply and demand is extremely important to look at. Tulsa is a vibrant market right now. We're very excited about it. We've got tremendous property management, the same property managers in Oklahoma City, plus 2 other property managers in Tulsa. So we have choice for the systems you want to use, but it is fantastic right now for low vacancy and high rents. I highly recommend you look at the Tulsa market.